Yes, sir, people. Here we go again. Glass project. One more time. You got through clearing the refrigerator. My homeboy Teo. He the airbrush king around here. Y'all see, he got the skull. Got the bubbles bubbling up. You know. Just a little picture of shot of the things that he can do, we can do. You can check him out at Amarillo Flea Market, right here in Amarillo, Texas. Saturday and Sunday, of course, on the weekends, you know. Mr. Texas Airbrush, Teo. Yes, sir. Also reach him at Teo, T-A-O, at AOL.com. Glass project. Anything in your dreams, we will bring it true. Just want to give y'all a shot of, you know, appliances, you know, different themes, things you can bring into the inside of your home. You know, some people, you might want a mermaid statue, but you really don't have nowhere to put it. Or you want a medieval picture, but you don't have enough wall space for something like this. You take this here concept, put it on an appliance, maybe a filing cabinet, washer and dryer, some in your game room. You know, just anything that you can think of, give us a holler. Glass project at rocketmail.com. We got Teo, T-A-O, at AOL.com. Glass project.